Okay, I will wait for the answers ng iba. 14, letter B. So majority is letter B. Are you sure? Okay, the correct answer for this is Molik, no? So that's letter B. So again, guys, ang sa Milanic, guys, dark siya, pero meron pong volcanic materials, no? So mayroon pong volcanic materials. So pag Molik siya, take note, Molik, makikita siya sa Molisols na soil order. We will discuss that one in the last part. As 12, the soil orders. Molic, ito po yung molic epipedon. Kung makikita nyo, very thick po ang organic layer or ang mataas yung organic matter. Another keyword for that, dalawa lang po. So, meron po siya, makikita po siya sa grassland. Ang molic, dalawa po yan. Dapat thick, dark colored, and then mataas ang kanyang base saturation. Base saturation. Ano po ba yung mga basic cations, no? Calcium, magnesium, yan. Ang ochre guys is light colored. Light colored ang ochre, remember. Ang ombric naman, the same siya sa molic, ma thick dark colored, pero mababa ang base saturation. Pag molic kasi, you should take note of this. Pag molic kasi, dapat more than 50% ang base saturation. Again, 50 or more than 50% base saturation. Pag mababa dyan, mabibilong na siya sa ombric. Hindi na po siya molic. Ang histic is organic materials, no? Makikita siya sa anong soil order? Makikita ang histic epipedon. Can you type in the comment box, chat box? Anong soil order makikita yung histic diagnostic horizon? Okay, sabi ni Ma'am Karen. Ayun, histosols, no? Organic soils, histic histosols.